Here the network. Diode capacitance C0 equals to 100 under root VB picofarad. The circuit shown below is the frequency determining circuit of the VCO. Unmodulated frequency of the VCO output is 10 power 6 Hz and is applied to a frequency multiplier to produce FM signal with FC 64 MHz and the modulation index is 5. Okay, so we know that the frequency determining network of VCO frequency is nothing but 1 by 2 pi under root L. Because of the diode, equivalent capacitance is C0 by 2, because those two are in series, means it is kind of a parallel multiplication. So here C0 is given as 100 by VB picofarad, C is 100 picofarad, F0 is 10 power 6 Hertz, L is 200 microhenries. If we substitute all these values, we will get VB as 2.51, we will get this as 3.49 volts, which is option B is correct. Here we have to find out frequency deviation. So we have to calculate the frequency deviation of the signal applied to the frequency multiplier. At the output of the multiplier, we are getting an FM signal whose carrier frequency is 64 MHz and the beta is, that is the modulation index is 5. Means before multiplier beta is nothing but 5 by 64. So we have to get frequency deviation before the multiplier, that is del f is beta into fm, that is 5 by 64 into 10 kilohertz, that is 50 by 64, that is 0.78 kilohertz, which is option D is correct. Consider a signal flow graph of a system shown below. Find the transfer function of a system. Okay, we have to find out the transfer function from the signal flow graph using Mason's gain formula. That is, transfer function is nothing but first to forward path is 2k by s and second forward path is k by s square, and the delta is 1 minus individual loop gains. Individual loop gains is minus 1 and minus 6 by s and plus three by s square. So if we simplify this one, that is 2s plus 1, this is k, 2s square plus 6s minus 3 we will get, which is option D is correct. Okay, now we have to find out the value of k such that the system is stable. Here the characteristic equation for this one is 2s square six plus 2ks plus k minus 3 is the characteristic equation. So by using RH criteria, s square s power 1 s0 2 k minus 3 s power 1 is 6 plus 2k 0. Here we will get, this is k minus 3. 6 plus 2k should be greater than 0 or equal to 0. Means 2k should be less than minus 2k should be less than 6, that is k should be minus 3, that is k less than or equals to minus 3. This is the one condition for stability. K minus 3 should be also be greater than or equal to 0, that is k is greater than or equal to 3. See, there is no combined overlapping value of k, hence it's not possible to get the stability of this particular system, hence it is always unstable. Option D is correct. Okay, question. Okay, here for the given network we have to find out the x of n. Here this first network is in a high pass filter. Okay, from a high pass filter, voltage across the resistor is nothing but 5 e power minus t by RC. Here is nothing but, see, we are applying the voltage across the resistor as the input to the sampler. So x of n is nothing but VR of nTs, that is Ts is 1, so x of n is VR of n. So that is x of n is nothing but 5 e power minus t by 2. RC is 2 seconds given in the question itself. 5 e power minus 0.5 n. Okay, hence option A is correct. Here x of z is given by x of n. We know x of n is 5 e power minus 0.5 n. So we know that in case of a n u of n, we know that z by z minus a. Here a is e power minus 0.5. Okay, so x of z is 5 divided by 5z divided by z minus e power minus 0.5, which is option A is correct.